All right, gonna get started here. Sunday night stream. Just activated the second PA account here on Well Charts. I have one on Tradeovate I have to activate as well. Um, and then I have one on Bullinox I need to activate, but I'm not 100% sure I'm even going to fool with it, just based upon their payout rules. And then I have one passed on day traders that I'm going to activate as well, but I'm pretty much just focused here on these Apex wealth charts accounts and getting those to pay out. And then, but I am probably going to go ahead and activate the Tradeovate one. Um, and then I'm gonna work on a top step as well, and get another combine going there at top step. But so this account last week, let's see here. Let's see how I can show paper portfolio. Here we go. So this account last week made $982 in, and so yeah, so but I passed this other one here, and yeah, so I'm just gonna copy trade those, for the most part, and go from there. But I'm not like a big proponent of copy trading, honestly, because if you blow all your, if you blow one, that's one thing. If you blow all of them, that's devastating. But yeah, so, but I am going to copy these. I feel like I have worked a lot on my, um, just being patient, waiting for things to set up, and just making smarter trades, rather than just hopping in and all those sorts of things. So yeah, so I'm just, been working on a lot of that, and I mean, it served me well last week, and I got caught up in a couple of trades, but was able to work myself out of it just by calming myself, and then going through the motions, and working on that. But um anyway, I usually draw the previous week's high and low. Usually do this on TradingView, but gonna do this here on well charts if I can figure out how to do it. um, let's see here. Think there we go. Drawing tools, lines, horizontal line. Uh, yeah, so we'll just do that. Change this color here. I always usually like to use orange for previous weeks, high and low. And why did that not change? There we go. Okay, cool. Um, I don't know if there's a way to keep the um, drawing tools up. Maybe there is, but I have to try to figure that out. All right, we are open, it looks like. That's interesting why it didn't create a new weekly candle there, but it's moving. Um, that's weird. I don't like that. There we go. All right, so we opened right at basically about where we closed um, on Friday. Oh, Lord. I don't want to do that. Okay, there's NQ, um, or MNQ here on the daily. I mean, as long as we maintain through this wick, um, I like it, but I just, don't know if I mean, are they going to come back up through here and use this kind of like these wicks as a pivot machine gun? Or are they going to bring us down through this wick and eventually come down and fill this gap? So, I don't know. I'm going to look at something here. I'm going to try something out. I'm going to see if... No. What I want to do is this. I don't know. This is kind of odd sometimes on... I haven't really, like, really versed myself um... in wealth charts. So I really need to do a lot more homework on this because I really like a lot of it, but I just need to do some more homework on being able to move things, that sort of thing. Um, I feel like if they keep buying here, push us up into 2000 or 21,100, I will probably go short. All right, so I got an order in up there to sell. I got an order in to sell 5 micros up there at, if I can figure out where it is exactly, 123. I may move it down to about 120. The reason I got it here at 123 is right there. Okay, so it just put me in for 5. And I'm up. All right, cool. Nice. Nice little win right there. That was fast, but nice win. Um 312 bucks, just like that. I will take it. I don't know why it didn't copy trade, but I'll take it. Um yeah, nice. All right, I'm happy with that. So, probably not going to trade anymore the rest of the night. um I don't know why that didn't copy trade, but I'm going to take it regardless. Yeah, very happy with that. So this account now is at 51,294. Yep, very, very happy with that trade. Yeah, I really like wealth charts. It's just, it's super, I don't know, like the execution to me is really fast. And I'm able to place the orders where I want to. So I really, really like that aspect of it. Again, I don't know why that didn't copy trade. It should have. Probably doesn't have something set right, knowing me, but it's all good. I will take it. 5 micros right there, just real quick, 312 bucks. Um, that's a nice little win on a Sunday night at 10 minutes into the market. So I'm gonna switch accounts here. We'll do this on number 57. That trade was on 56. Um, but yeah, all nice little 312 buck win there. I will be done for the day on that account. Again, I don't know why it didn't copy trade. I must have not had something set. But it is what it is. Yeah, it didn't copy trade at all. I'm sure it's something I don't have set correctly, but I'll take it regardless. All right. I am not going to hang around on stream. Feel free to use my Apex code Blues Trades. They do not have a sale at the moment. But it'll still get you 50% off right now. Um, but you know, if you're tight on funds, just wait. Just wait till they have an 80-90% off sale. Um, 71% I would even settle with, but for the most part, like just wait, guys. Just wait. Unless you just need to reset some accounts or something, but yeah. All right. Hope everyone has a great night. You know, feel please remember our military that lost their lives while in service. That's what Memorial Day is about. And they made the ultimate sacrifice for us. So please keep them and their families in mind as you celebrate the holiday. So, all right, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Feel free again to use my Apex code Blues Trades, and I'll see you sometime later.